Hello everyone! Welcome to the Frugal Effect. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung everyday bag ko at kung ano yung laman nito. So, here it is. It's so pretty. This is Louis Vuitton Saint Cloud GM. Quite classic na siya, so hindi na siya available sa store. So, I purchased this off eBay for $400 or 533 Canadian. And I also changed the strap. I bought this off the Louis Vuitton store for 360 and it really matches. Look, parang same lang talaga sila na parang hindi ko pinalitan, diba? I've been using this for almost every day since I bought it 2 years ago. Nakakatawa kasi kahit mag-camping, even short hike, dinala ko rin to kasi sobra talagang versatile niya. So inside, you can fit a lot of stuff, and also yung pinaka-convenient is yung likod, meron siyang lagayan ng cellphone. So hindi ko na kailangan buksan yung flap. Meron dito na lang siya, easy access. Tapos, dahil si COVID, nandito pa din, meron akong hand sanitizer na sobrang convenient lang na madali lang ma-access. I'll do a few shots as well, me wearing this. And I'll show you guys what's inside. Tara! So, before we start with what's inside my bag, ito lang talaga yung kinikerry ko everyday. Iba syempre kung may anak ka dahil mas madaming laman yung bag mo. But yeah, whatever works for you guys. So let's start. A little pouch that stores my husband's car key, pen, my lipstick lip balm, and few coins. I have here my card holder, which stores my credit cards, my debit, and driver's license. And also, per my mom's suggestion, dapat nagdadala daw ng cash kasi what if yung store na pinuntahan nyo only accept cash, tapos nauuhaw na kayo or nagugutom na kayo, wala kayong mapambayad, 'di ba? True naman. Thank you, mom. By the way, I use this app, Store Card. So this store card has all my rewards points. Very helpful siya, kaya worth na i-check out nyo and ilagay yung mga cards nyo dyan. And the last one is this foldable bag. Lagi ko talaga tong kinikerry kasi I want to avoid using plastic. So here it is. Medyo luma na siya, few years ago na to, but it still serve its purpose. So yan, malaki siya, madaming malalagay. And sa likod ng bag na to is my cellphone. Very easily accessible yung cellphone, 'di ba? So yeah, this is my bag and this is what's inside of it. For reference, by the way, I'm 5'3" and 128 pounds. not forget to subscribe to my channel. Baguhan pa lang ako, kaya yung supportan nyo, I really appreciate it. And hopefully, panoorin nyo yung mga susunod kong episodes. And sana ma-inspire kayo kahit konti. Until next time, bye-bye!